I have quite uh, mind-blowing thoughts in my head right now. Something that really surprised me, to be honest, but I'm not sure I'm able to share it. Um, Basically, I talked with ChatGPT about uh, quantum physics, and I came to the idea that wave function collapse that seemingly happens when there is observation or measurement, some interaction with the superposition of a participle, causing it to collapse or reduce to a fixed, defined position. Mm, I mean, I found an interesting analogy with Haskell, a programming language. And the Haskell says that unless we print the result of a measurement, the measurement in the system is not yet calculated. Haskell has a lazy evaluation that allows it to uh, use, for example, we can define infinite arrays there. I can say in the Haskell, please take as a variable an infinite array, let's say from 0 to infinity. And that's fine for Haskell because it's lazy. It will never calculate this infinite array. It will never try to take it. Instead, I can say, okay, define an infinite array and then print only first 4 elements in it, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And that will be fine because we only need to take first 4 elements of the array. We don't need to take it all. And so it's fine to work with infinite arrays then. And then we can also do more. We can say, take an infinite array and then take a square of every element of the array. And that is also fine because we will not have to do it unless we need to print elements of an array. I can say take a square of every element of the array. It will be 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. And that's okay. Because then we will say, okay, I need only first 2 elements of the array. So 0 and 1. So even if we told the Haskell that we need squares of every element, because in the end we will need only first 2 elements, there is no problem with that. So it all seemed somewhat similar to the ideas with quantum physics. In quantum physics, a participle in a free form, without interaction, without it being extracted and measured, can take a free shape. And only when it will be extracted, only in a sense when it will be used, observed, then it will be defined. It is undefined, has a kind of a fuzzy shape, some like, I don't know, lazy shape, unless it becomes strict. And this makes the participle in quantum mechanics dependent on the observer. Observer becomes something that serializes the participle. something that renders, almost literally renders the participle. Before it was only a model, let's say a mathematical definition, some fuzzy description, and then when we need to take it out and extract it, then it becomes a defined point and space and time. And if I think about that, if I think then about the importance and agency of observers, it all makes it upside down in a sense that then the observers matters, the end points matter. I am the end point of this reality. I'm the one who perceives reality, for whom the reality is rendered. And in this sense, the reality can stay lazy unless it is rendered for me. The reality can stay undefined unless it is defined for me, unless I request it. And that basically correlates with the ideas of idealism, philosophical idealism, and consciousness plays a fundamental role, or being, my being, plays a fundamental role in framing a reality, in forming it, in a sense, because reality cannot exist without presence of minds. And it's very interesting train of thought, but I'm quite confused, and I need to keep thinking about that. It's interesting. But that's it for now.